Every so often, there will be an issue importing a script into Pozotron, and this usually has to do with PDF graphics and font issues. The best way we've found to fix them is by using a OCR pass in Adobe Acrobat. But first, we'll look at how you know if there might be a problem to start with. The test is if you can copy and paste a section of text from your PDF script into a docx or a text file, and it looks fine. The words are all spelled correctly. The formatting looks good enough to work your way through, then it's going to be fine. However, if when you copy and paste from your PDF into a Word document and it looks like this, that means that Pozotron will not be able to read it either. If there are question marks, if you can tell that letters are translated into something else, if two L's turn into an N, that's not going to work within the Pozotron Studio. So if you have any of these kind of corruption or font issues, there's a way that you can work around it in the script prep stage. So open the PDF in Adobe Acrobat, save the whole book as individual JPEGs, combine the JPEGs into a new PDF, and run OCR with text recognition. The file that you get at the end might look a little grainy, but you're not reading off of that one, so you can use the original as a reading script and this new one as a script to upload Pozotron, and I'll go through what each of these steps look like. So when you open the file in Acrobat, you're going to save this font issue PDF as JPEGs. So file, export to image, JPEG. And it will create a folder. If the book was 200 pages long, it will create a folder with 200 JPEGs. And then you go to File, Create, Combine Files into a single PDF and select all of those JPEGs. It'll look something like this with all the page numbers by it. And then it'll open up a screen and you say Combine. After you combine them, you go and hit this little Scan and OCR button over on the right and say Recognize text in this file, and then click Recognize text, and it will run through, because all of these are images right now, it will find all of the text and turn it into a font that is readable by Pozotron. Every script that I've run into where people have had trouble getting that original transcription, I've taken it through this process and it works almost every time. If there are other formatting issues with tables or columns or footnotes or spacing, that's kind of another wrinkle, but for any PDF that runs into that original corruption or kind of misrepresentation of fonts, this will work. It might feel like several steps, but this whole process takes maybe 5 to 10 minutes to do once you kind of know the steps for getting through it. So hopefully that will help when it comes to making sure the OCR is correct.